Hello everyone. Previously we had discussed about the this one conditional types. Also we had seen with the examples, right? One was basic conditional type and the conditional type with generics. So today we'll be discussing about the template literal types. So what are template literal types? Basically, template literal types, they allows us to create types using the string literals and also the placeholders, similar to the template literals in JavaScript. We had seen the template literals and other stuff in the JavaScript playlist, right? So template literal types allows us to create types using string literals and also the placeholders, similar to the template literals in JavaScript. So let's see the same thing with the very simple examples. So first example will be going with basic template literal type, and the second example will be going with the dynamic property name. So first let's go with the basic template literal type. I'll just quickly come here. Let me make use of the VS Code actually. We haven't seen the VS Code, this one, right? So setup and how to run the TS file. So let's make use of the VS Code for this. So let's quickly create TypeScript file. So I'll just give the name index.ts, right? So let's quickly install the TypeScript. I'll just give here npm install -g TypeScript. So we are installing the TypeScript globally, right? This will take some time. Just give me a second here. So yeah, TypeScript got installed, right? So next what we will do, let's do one thing. Let's start writing the code. I'll just close this one. So let's see the example for the basic template literal types. As I've said here, let me come here. Let me quickly give here type greeting. Let me set this one to hello. I will make use of the union type and let me give here hi. So this hi, yeah, both are of the string, right? So I'll just quickly give here type. Let's consider name here. Name, I'll just give here within the string. Let me give here Bharadwaj 1, and again I'll just make use of the union type. This will be I'll just make use of Bharadwaj 2 here. So let me quickly come here. Let me give here message. Well, within the template literals, let me pass. I have considered greeting right here. Let me pass this one, greeting. Also, one more thing, I have considered name here. Let me pass name here. This is fine. So next what I'll do, I'll just take here variable name message to 1. And let me set this one to hello. Just give me a second here. Hello, Bharadwaj 1. And also the same thing, let me quickly copy here. Instead of the message 1, I'll just make this one message 2. Instead of the Bharadwaj 1, I'll just make this one Bharadwaj 2. So quickly let's log message 1 and message 2, right? So here, let me come here. Let me quickly log the message 1. Let me copy the same thing here. Instead of the message 1, I'll just make this one to the message 2 here. We have installed the TypeScript, right? So to compile this one, we have to give tsc the file name, nothing but index.ts. So this will create an additional JavaScript file. So let's come to the JavaScript file, and then we can just run here node. The name is index.js, right? So let me quickly give here. We can see the output here. Hello Bharadwaj 1 and hello Bharadwaj 2. And one more thing I had to tell you. I have to tell you that previously I had explained that basically we will be going through one additional step, that is compiling of the TypeScript to the JavaScript whenever we are running the TypeScript file, right? So while mentioning the con of using the JavaScript, I said this. So nothing but here, while we try to run the TypeScript this one file here, first this gets compiled to the JavaScript, and then we have to run the JavaScript file, right? So here we are getting a correct output, nothing but the hello Bharadwaj 1 and hello Bharadwaj 2. So I'll quickly mention here this one, whatever I have given here, I'll just come to TypeScript file, type message here, greeting and name, whatever I have given here. So basically this is combining greeting and name into all the possible combinations here. So we know that this line message equals whatever I have passed here, greeting, I have made use of the template returns, right? Greetings and name I have passed here. So this combines greeting and name into all the possible combinations, and message 1 and message 2, whatever I have given here, this one, message 1 and message 2, this one, this is basically the valid combinations of greeting and name, nothing but the Bharadwaj 1 and Bharadwaj 2, right? So hello Bharadwaj 1 and hello Bharadwaj 2 we need to get. That's what we have got here, the output, right? I hope the concept of this one, basic template return types, is completely clear. So next, let's see dynamic property name. Let me quickly give here, clear this one. Let me delete this one. Let me delete the here index.js file as well, right? So it'll come here for the dynamic property names. I'll just first initially I'll just make use of the sizes. Either I'll go with small, or within the string it might be medium, small, or large, right? So this is fine. Next, I'll just make use of the type padding. So I'll just give here padding this one. Let me make use of the T. What I did here, just give me a second here. So let me quickly write here extends string. So this one will be string, right? And let me make use of the backticks. Let me make use of the template letters here. I'll just give here padding. Then the flower bag I have, I'll just pass T over here. So this is fine. Let's make use of the variable name P1. Just give me a second here. This one here, I'll just set this one to padding small, right? This is showing small, medium, or large. This one I'll just set this one to padding small. And one more thing, I'll just consider variable P2 as well. I should have copied the previous line. This is fine. This time let me give here padding large. So anything medium. This one I'll just give large here. So let me log P1 and P2. I'll just quickly come here, console log of P1, and I'll just let me copy the same thing here. We give here P2, right? So let me format this one very quickly, and initially I'll just give here tsc index.ts. So yeah, now we have the JS file, right? So I'll just explain what I've done here, and after that let's try to run the this one JavaScript file, JS file. So here padding of this one, the whatever I have considered here, this one basically. So what this is doing here is it constructs the dynamic types like padding small, padding medium, and padding large. So here while I was typing padding, we were getting the this one, right? Small, this one padding small, medium, and large. So this basically what it does here, padding of this one, whatever I have considered here, this construct the dynamic types like padding small, padding medium, and padding large. And P1 and P2, whatever I have considered here, this one is assigned a valid template literal values, right? This is assigned a valid template literal type. So the output, let's see what output we will get here. So I'll just quickly come here, just run node index.js, right? So we are getting the output padding small and padding large, which is absolutely correct. So again I'm telling padding of this one t, whatever we have mentioned here basically. So this is basically this one, right? This is this constructs dynamic types like padding small, this one padding medium and padding large, right? And p1 and p2 are assigned with the valid template literal values. So while we log p1 and p2, we have to get the output padding small, what we have assigned here, and padding large, right? It works absolutely correct. So I hope the concept of dynamic property names and the basic template literal type is completely clear. Nothing but the template literal types is completely clear. Next, we'll be discussing about the key of operator, right? For now, this is it. Thanks for watching, guys.